Did you know that the ultimate limits of artificial intelligence were actually proven decades before the very first computer was even built? It sounds like science fiction, but in 1936, a young genius named Alan Turing wrote a mathematical death sentence for what technology could eventually achieve. While we're all currently obsessed with the rapid rise of ChatGPT and the looming threat of artificial superintelligence, the hard truth is that mathematics had already constructed a structural wall that no algorithm will ever be able to climb over. Back in the early 20th century, the greatest minds believed that logic was infinite and that every problem had a solution if you just worked at it long enough. But Turing wanted to test the boundaries of the mechanical mind. He proposed a thought experiment known as the halting problem. Imagine you have a perfect program designed to analyze the behavior of every other piece of code. Its only job is to tell you if a specific program will eventually finish its task or if it'll get stuck in an infinite loop forever. On the surface, this sounds like a basic debugging tool, but Turing introduced a paradox that essentially broke the universe. He imagined a second program designed to do the exact opposite of whatever the first one predicted. If the analyzer says the code will stop, the second program forces it to loop. If the analyzer says it'll loop, the second program forces it to stop. This creates a logical nightmare where the machine is physically unable to provide a correct answer. It's the mathematical version of saying, "This sentence is a lie." This wasn't just a clever trick. It was a formal proof that some things are simply undecidable. This means no matter how many trillions of parameters we train or how much processing power we stack, AI will always hit a ceiling. It isn't an all-knowing God. It's a system bound by the rules of 90-year-old logic. We are sprinting toward the future, but Turing already drew the finish line. If you're ready to look behind the curtain of tech, hit follow and tell me, do you think AI will ever truly think for itself?